What you're going to need for this little hack is toilet paper and just an old tin. This one had some beans inside it, just cleaned it out, and some alcohol. I just use this one, 70% solution, flammable, perfect, 2 litres. It costs 280 pesos, I think, so really cheap. So all you need to do, just take some toilet paper off, probably about 20-25 sheets. That's what you're going to need. With the alcohol, don't need a huge amount, just enough to wet it.
No, 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 no.
And if you can see the flame, turn the lights out. You can see it burning. That's a lot of heat this thing gives off. Amazingly, that actually burned for 45 minutes. I didn't expect that. So if you're out camping somewhere and it's been raining here an awful lot, and this wood here isn't very dry, and you're struggling to start a fire, and that's where these tins become very useful. Obviously this is just a bit of paper in there with your alcohol. So what you do, you just place that just in front of the fire, light it up. Can't really see the flames at the moment. Use a piece of stick so you don't burn your hands. Push that underneath the fire, and there we go. Then just leave that then for as long as it takes to catch the wood on fire. I mean, this wood is very wet, but with that underneath it, you can leave that tin in there for at least an hour, and that would just burn. And you can see how quickly this starts to burn now. So that's just a great way, a little hack, and something that doesn't cost anything more than probably about 5 UK pence to make, and it's obviously recycling. All you need is alcohol. Also, once the wood has actually caught fire, what you can do, carefully, is to remove your tin, like so. And if you can see this, to reuse it, all you got to do is just blow it out. And what you would do, you just cover this with a bit of silver foil like before, put an elastic band around it, and then you can use it again and again and again. And that's enough to light dozens and dozens of little fires like this one. Also, the beauty of these tins is when you've used it and you've pulled your tin back out after starting your fire, the bottom of the tin stays cold, and this has just been blown out and there's no heat there whatsoever. It's quite cool, obviously, just because the heat is always rising and the base stays cold, so as soon as you pull it out, you can cover it up straight away and put it away without any chance of fire risk. If you like my little video, please like, subscribe, share, comment as well, and turn your notifications on, and I shall see you in the next video. Take care, bye.